So welcome back to the STC YouTube channel. So together, me, Natty, together with Chris, today I would like to continue to talk about hometown and then the interesting about the hometown of the STC member. Okay, so thank you, Chris, for welcome here and then to accept my invitation to join this podcast.
Yes, thank you very much for having me, Nanti.
Okay, so where is your hometown, Chris?
My hometown is here in Surabaya.
Oh,
Yep.
nice. Same with me then.
Yeah.
So, what do you like to be a Surabayanese?
What I like about being Surabayanese, well, I like most of all I like the language actually, because most people they say that we are Medok, right? But I think Surabayan is the most interesting accent because whenever we go, people just like notice us. Are you from Surabaya? Like it's very personal for me. Yeah.
Yeah. I still remember when I visited to Jakarta, and then the bajai driver said to me, "Oh, are you from Surabaya?"
Yeah.
It's so unique, yeah.
Yes.
So unique. And then, the favorite food then? That's an easy question.
I have a lot of favorite food actually. Yes.
From
and
Surabaya?
From Surabaya, yes. But what I like most is I think from East Java, Rawon. I think Rawon is Surabaya, right?
Surabaya,
And also
Surabaya.
rujak.
Okay,
Yeah.
the sweet rujak or the rujak petis?
The rujak petis.
Oh,
of course.
nice.
Yeah. Because I think other places in Indonesia have the sweet rujak, right? But the rujak petis is only exclusive to.
So that's really the signature of Surabaya.
Yes,
So
that's
how
right.
many level of sambal or lombok do you like to eat?
I usually don't go for too much, but when it's not spicy enough, it's not good, right? I just usually go for like 4.
Oh, okay. 4, that's already spicy.
Yeah, it's quite spicy already, right?
And then I believe that dawat is also the favorite one
Yeah.
for you.
Dawat,
Okay.
yeah, I like dawat
So
also.
rujak petis and dawat. Well, that's so perfect.
Yes, so great.
Okay, finish talking about the foods. How about the favorite places?
Favorite places, to be honest, I don't like quite dig deep into the unique places, but I visited the parks frequently. You know, Surabaya has a lot of like public parks, right?
Yeah.
The one in the middle called Taman Bungkul, it's very good. And also a lot of places have other parks. I think it's very interesting and it's very clean and very lively to be there.
Yeah, I can tell there. So in the Taman Bungkul, there are usually many events there. Have you joined some events or?
Yes,
anything?
I have joined one of the morning run events
Oh,
there. Yeah.
okay. So is it like regularly morning
No,
run?
it's just I've only joined once, but it's very memorable to me because I think we have to get up very early, right? Like 5
Yeah.
o'clock, 5 a.m. in the morning. We have to go there and meet with a lot of people, enjoy the scenery, and also start our run in the, from the Taman Bungkul. Yeah.
Okay, nice. Okay, now talking about the childhood. Okay,
Yeah.
so how many years already in Surabaya?
Since I was born, actually.
Yeah, so
I'm
like
now,
20 years?
Yes, more than 20 years.
Okay,
in Surabaya.
during 20 years, any interesting experience or interesting or funny story being in Surabaya?
Actually, everything I do in Surabaya is very interesting for me because it's personally it's my hometown, right? But yeah, I go to school in Surabaya. I go to university also in Surabaya, and I have a lot of friends here. So I think, yeah, we frequently go to the mall together and go to a lot of eating places, good restaurants, and I think that's very special for me.
Okay, so maybe about the many eating places and also malls. Any favorite malls or eating places? Favorites means like you often go there.
I don't really like go to one places like frequently, but yeah, there's been a lot of places for eating. But malls, since it's very near to my house, I always go to the largest mall, which is Pakuan
Pakuan Mall.
Yeah.
Okay, so have you visited like the Tunjungan Plaza,
Of
right?
course.
Okay, so Tunjungan Plaza there are 6 malls, right? Tunjungan
Yeah.
Plaza. So Tunjungan Plaza 1, 2, 3, 4 until 6.
Yes.
Now, many people argue, right? So the Tunjungan Plaza actually larger than the Pakuan Mall.
Oh,
What do
really?
you think?
I don't think so because
Really?
even though the Tunjungan Plaza has 1 until 6,
6,
right? But they're not as big because Pakuan is when you go there and you walk from the
The PTC.
yeah, the PTC to the new one, it's quite tiring, you know. It's I think more
okay.
than 1 kilometers, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
So
I
you can
think it's
like
very far.
so like 5 kilometers already, right? In the
Yeah.
Back and forth.
Yes, that's
But
true.
the Pakwon Mall is like just only how many levels? Five, 4 levels?
Four, I think,
Yeah,
right
four
now. Yeah.
levels
They're
only.
they're
But
building new ones, right?
oh, I see. But in Tunjungan Plaza, it's like 6, 7 levels.
Six, but each of them is like quite small. It's not
Okay,
as long, it's not
okay.
as wide as the Pakuan Mall.
Okay, so I can imagine that you, when you visit the super mall, the Pakuan Mall, you visit it in the morning until in the evening. Is that correct?
Usually, if I go with friends, yeah, because at the Pakuan Mall we can do many things, right? We can watch a movie. There's a lot of places to eat and a lot of places to shop. Not just for the like the branded items, but also for the regular everyday clothing and other needs. It also has supermarket, Lotte Mart, right?
Yeah.
So we can actually buy everything and shop everything in them.
Yeah. When you visit the PTC, also there is hypermart as well.
Yes, that's true.
And then so many food courts there.
That's very
From
true.
the
Yes.
was it the cheap food court and then the high class food court
Yes.
and then many good restaurants there
Yes.
as well. Wow.
Yes.
Okay. Now, you already being in Surabaya like more than 20 years, right? And
Yep.
then how do you know about Toastmaster?
I know about Toastmasters actually when I was like maybe junior high. Yeah, because at junior high I was looking at YouTube a lot and I found a speech contest. And I thought to myself,
The
what is
international
this? Yep,
Oh, I
the
see.
international one. And I was interested. Like I listened to the speeches and it benefited me a lot in my ways of thinking, in like fresh ideas, right? And after junior high, I maybe stopped watching the Toastmasters YouTube, and then suddenly, like few months ago, I found the the meeting for
I see.
STC, and then I just
Okay.
immediately,
Come.
come and
Register. Oh, very nice. So I
Yes.
think the being a Toastmaster is one of your dream
Of course.
come true.
Yes, dreams come true.
Okay, so thank you very much. Okay, maybe that's the podcast for today. After hearing Christopher's stories about Surabaya, I would like to share mine because, like him, I was born and raised in Surabaya too. Talking about the favorite food, my favorite is semanggi. It is made from semanggi leaves with the sauce of sweet cassava and shrimp paste. And then it's all usually accompanied by the puli crackers. Sounds like delicious, right? And then the interesting places in Surabaya, such as Heroes Museum, where you can see the history of Surabaya. And then you can also visit the Submarine Museum, where you can go inside in the real submarine. Wow, that's so cool, right? And then the next one, the popular destination is Surabaya Zoo. Recently, the local government built an access tunnel where where it is decorated beautifully with the photos display. Of course, it is making the journey more enjoyable. What makes me love Surabaya is how beautiful and clean the city is. The colorful flowers bloom along the main roads. It's a lovely sight that never fails to brighten your day. Sharing my love for Surabaya feels like the perfect way to wrap up this series. I'm announcing that this episode marks the end of Hometown Heartbeats podcast series. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to my fellow friends Dia, Praful, Risni, Etika, Cecilia, and Christopher for their time to share about their hometown stories. Thank you for everyone who has subscribed and supported this podcast. See you in the next YouTube videos from Surabaya Toastmaster Club. I promise you that there will be mind-blowing video coming to you. Bye bye for now.